Hello, yes. We are going to discuss today how to select multiple cells at a time. So we have some sample data that has multiple colors in different months in different years. So this is the unique colors. We want to select the yellow color. So this is not possible through select through the keyboard, right? So suppose there is a one yellow. Now you can try to hold the control button, and then you can try to select with the mouse. So this is the way to select multiple cells in the table. So this is a very long procedure, right? So that's the reason. So it is taking a much time to select the all yellow colors. You have to do one thing to select the range which you want. Select the yellow. Just so now select this Control F, yellow. Find all. So what should you do is find and replace. There is a find what yellow. So these all are the cells which contain yellow, right? So now we can't sell. So there is the cursor is here. So see, click anywhere in the list of the cells. Press Ctrl A. OK. Close. So you are selected all yellows in the table. I'm selecting color. So now again you want to select the one more is a green. Control F. Type green. Find all. So you will get the list of green. Green, green, green. There is a dark green also there. So green, it is contained, right? So options, go to the options. So there is a dark green. We try to, you can select a Control A with all list. So it is a dark green also selected, right? So that's the reason you go to the match entire cell content. So find all. Now see, only green was selected. Control A, close. Now choose the color. Green. So remaining rest of the all we can do like this only, right? Select the table data, press Ctrl F. We will find one dialog box for find the green. This time we go with the brown. So match cases, you should enable the match entire cell contents. Okay. Now then you can find all. So list of cells display in the below of the dialog box. You can put the cursor over there and press Ctrl A. Click close. Brown. So you can select the brown. So this is the way to select the multiple cells with the finding option. So Erexit, I'm clearing these colors. So if you want to select some whatever the non-continuous range, you can hold the control and use the mouse to select and drag the range. This is the one way to select the. If you want to change any data, press new value, control enter. It will change the which we already selected. Thank you guys.